We have news crews videotaping the flooding. We got people that are stuck in parking lots because they can't go nowhere. We got 8 inches to 1.5 feet in certain areas of flooding where certain cars can't make it through, only trucks and semis. We got people turning around because they know they can't make it, cutting over stuff, going down roads backwards just because there's nowhere to go. We've got water running on the roads like rivers. If you could see this, then you know what I'm talking about. A foot right in front of us. Then we got vehicles going really slow. Like I said, trucks and cars or trucks and semis the only ones that can make it through. Minivans, cars, they get stuck. You got tow trucks everywhere making money. Well, that's all I have to report.